appreciate that.
The handicap interview.
Just in case, for some reason I can't make it. But I'm going to try to make it back in time. I'm trying. But I'm excited for her, but I don't want my baby to be by herself. I mean, you know, her sister's going to be with her. Her sister's and Mike, and they'll be there. If Mike don't be working, because now his job makes him go out of town and stuff. Yeah, so, I don't know. I need somebody to help my baby. Mom, she better have that baby before I get back. I'll be so upset. I think so, too. Because she was hurting the other day, but she said she was feeling fine this week. You, Vonda, oh my goodness, she just went to the doctor yesterday, and that was my question that I had to ask her, and it just slipped. I'm going to call her back and ask her that. But she didn't even tell me that, so maybe she didn't, because that was important. That's important. But that's what I meant to ask her. She went just yesterday, and I'm gonna call her back and ask her. Because they not in church yet. Yeah, I was talking to her when they was getting dressed so they wouldn't be late. They should be showing up pretty soon. They should be. Yeah. Girl, Robert's family we talked to you. He got the camera.
I'm trying to show you yourself.
Yes, Martha. He filming me while I'm talking to you.
Because you're handicapped.
The camera is so close to my face. I'm like,